everyone, my name's Dave. I hope you're all having a great day. I sure am, and it's gonna get even better with this Peruvian chicken. It's gonna give you a little spice, a little citrus, a little earthy taste. Let's get it started. Okay, we got the grill firing up. We're gonna get the chicken marinade on. Now this marinade, you might wanna let sit overnight or at least 30 minutes. We're only gonna do a quick 30 minutes here today, but it's a soy sauce, some nice honey. I use kosher salt, paprika, minced garlic, some cumin, oregano, coriander, and olive oil. You can use whatever your favorite cut of chicken is. Chicken thighs are my best, but I'm actually gonna do the chicken tenders here today. Gonna squeeze some lime on top. Now that the chicken is marinated and the grill's getting up to temperature, we're gonna make the green sauce, and this really brings the meal together. You can use mayonnaise or sour cream. Mayonnaise is more traditional, but if you want a little tangier taste to it, go ahead and use the sour cream. I'm using mayonnaise. A little jalapeno, a little cilantro, a little minced garlic, kosher salt, and a squeeze of lime. And this will just be a nice topper to the chicken. So good. Now the last thing we need to prep here is the avocado cucumber salad. Diced avocado and the English cucumber and the cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna squeeze some lime over that, drizzle in some olive oil, pinch of salt, pepper here to taste. And that's perfect. Now that we've got the chicken marinated, it's been a little over a half hour. Again, do this overnight, it'll really soak in, you'll get the best results. These will cook up nice and quick. We're gonna throw them here in the hot part of the grill. So satisfying cooking with an open flame. The smell from the marinade is outstanding. All right, so we'll let that cook for a little while, give it a flip, and we'll almost be ready to put it all together. Oh, beautiful char on the chicken. Oh man, that marinade smells good. Oh, I'm ready to eat them already. We'll let those finish up. We'll take those off. We'll put it all together and have a fun meal. The marinades grilled on, they're so nice. It smells incredible. Now this green sauce will bring it all together with the chicken. Put a healthy portion going across. I need to taste this right now. Oh, the chicken is so tender. That marinade is outstanding. The green sauce. Such a great dish. Gotta give it a try. I need some more. Thanks again for watching. I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. Have a great day, and remember, spread love through barbecue. Oh, man.